Good morning, YouTube. It is Sunday, May 19th, and just doing an unboxing of Mystery Bucket for Adam's latest Mystery Bucket push, the one where they did the blue lids. This is exactly how FedEx left it on my door. So we'll open her up, see what we got. Hopefully we got a blue bucket. Blue top bucket, because I think those are the ones that contained over $200 worth of goods. Let's see what we got. There's the bucket. At least FedEx delivered it right side up. Hey, look. Aw, red top. Let's see here. Oh, I got this lid. I don't have that lid. I don't want to have the Gamma Silk lid. Wait. Just the regular old foam padded lid top. Bill. A bunch of packs. They gave me $200 worth of packing paper. So, looking kind of shallow in there. Let's see what we got. So, spray wax, carnauba infused. Next bottle down. Ceramic waterless. Huh. Don't know what that is. Haven't read much on that, so I don't know. Next bottle up. Ultra foam. Got a bottle of ultra foam in there. In the garage already. Wheel cleaner. That's good. I just bought some chemical guys because they sell it at Walmart. They're Diablo, so that's. Always go through wheel cleaner. Oh, wheel brush. Sweet. Oh, workout. Sprayer. Should have 2 sprayers. Other sprayer. Borderless gray plush towel. Another towel. Waterless wash towel. 2-pack? That's cool, because I already have a waterless wash. Must be for that waterless ceramic. Another sprayer. Small sprayer. Must be for the small bottle. The bucket. Clay bar? Adam's Fine Grade Clay Bar. And of course a Grit Guard. Another bucket. And a whole bunch of packing. Oh, hold on. Hold on right there. What's this? Oh, one of the chemical rack organizers. Okay, that's what's up. So Adam's logo there. Okay. Anything else? No, looks like that's gonna be it. Ooh, that was loud. Let's see, we got the bucket, Grit Guard, the highlight, which is this bottle rack, borderless gray plush towel, waterless wash towel, the Adam's ceramic waterless, a fine clay bar, wheel cleaner, ultra foam shampoo, spray wax, It's a wheel brush, and of course the sprayers. So this was $70. So yeah, it's cool because I always wanted one of those. That'd look good in the garage. So always a mystery. It's pretty much just a gamble on what you get. It's really hoping for one of the blue lid ones, but there's a few items I can get some decent use out of. So overall, always happy with it, or else I wouldn't buy it. So hopefully some of you other guys had better luck and got the blue lid buckets. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Because that little piece of metal there was a pretty penny on their website. So until next time, YouTube, enjoy. Have a good day.